if a person invited her GF as a tourist and they just met through online dating, they haven't known each other for a year, and she marries her, is that legal? They're
So
both
maraming-
lesbian. And
Meron.
she sponsored her to become permanent resident. Do you think the immigration will approve her to become a permanent resident here
Okay,
in
medyo
Canada?
maraming tanong doon, marami rin pwedeng
Ayun.
i-discuss. Pagiging lesbian, walang problem.
Oo.
Dito sa Canada kasi pwedeng same-sex, di ba? Walang issue yun dito sa Canada. Invited as tourist, met online, wala namang problem doon.
Oo.
They haven't known each other for a year, pero nagpakasal na. So minsan nangyayari din yun eh. Ang tanong na lang din, yung relationship genuine ba talaga? At hindi nga for immigration purpose. Only or primarily for immigration purpose. Nung nagpakasal ba sila, hindi ba yun dahil nga for immigration purpose lang? Kasi kung yun ang dahilan, medyo mag-fail yun. Pero kung talaga namang genuine nga yung relationship at free naman talaga sila to get married, di ba? Wala namang impediments for them to get married, wala naman silang previous marriage, pwede, may pag-asa. But again, depende yan sa situation, depende sa evidence, depende kung mako-convince mo si officer. So, yun lang, maraming pwede pa rin consider or i-evaluate dito, pero yung straightforward answer natin, may chance, pwede
Yes,
maging
pwede.
permanent resident. In many cases, yes, ang sagot.
Being married, same-sex, walang problema.
Walang issue
Pwede.
lang. Walang issue. Tsaka kung kahit nagpakasal kayo, less than a year pa lang kayo magkakilala, walang problem doon. As long as genuine nga yung relationship.
Yung relationship.